Fuel pump primes. Okay, go out there. I hear like a hissing sound. I don't know what that is. Alright. Get ready. We're gonna try it again. I'm gonna fuel pump prime. I don't know what it is. Look at all the terminals and stuff real quick. Let me see. Everything's hooked up correctly. I'm not really sure. I don't know. But hopefully you guys can let me know what's going on. I'm not really sure. It's fired up before. I haven't fired it up in about a year, yeah. So hopefully you guys can give me some sort of advice. Let me know what the hell's going on with this. Just put new oil in it, new oil filter. It's got a new intercooler for it and stuff. I mean, everything's hooked up accordingly. I just don't know what the fucking deal is. So that's about it. We can try and fire it up one more time. Ready? I don't know. Hopefully you guys can tell me. That's about it. I'm going to end the video. Cute, dude. Okay, end it.